This car's come full circle. I first laid flames on it more than 20 years ago for his dad. Back then it had teal blue candy flames and a stock motor. I still remember laying down the first tape lines in those early days, making sense of it all. Now it's his son's turn and he's taken it to another level. Built motor, full rear end, big mods. He asked if I could lay some new flames over it, but this time he wanted something that reflected his era, early 2000s vibes, back when clowns, skulls and hidden graphics were part of the culture. Subtle under candy, but loud if you knew where to look. So I laid the foundation down in gold. Then I airbrushed a set of killer clowns inside the flames, old school style. It's personal for him, a nod to what he grew up with. Then I laid it all under candy purple and finished it with some magenta pinstripes, just to try and tie in the original paint that I did for his dad. The layout's changed, the colours are new, but there's still a thread running through it all. From his grandfather to his dad, and now to him. Same roof, same bones, just reborn with a whole new attitude.
My 1950 Chevy Ute. I've been building the car for about probably 20 odd years. It started off as a light blue stock standard Ute with a 216 in it. It used to be my dad's car, and then he pulled the 216 out and put a blue flame in it. Then he gave the car to me, less motor, less box, as a stock standard car. Matty flamed it in a light blue turquoise colour. It's got a blown 540 cubic inch big block Chev in it. So I tubbed the rear end, put a 4-link in it. I also put a 9-inch, airbags, everything like that. And then we put it on the road, did a few car shows and stuff with it, decided that we weren't happy with it. So we pulled it off the road, and I've turned it into what it is.
Hearing him talk about the car like that, it reminds me why I still do this. It's more than just paint, it's memory, family, legacy, and a little bit of personal madness tucked under the candy. 3 generations, 2 flame jobs, and 1 story that just keeps on rolling.